The purpose of this video is to show you how I make badges. I use the program Canva. It's at www.canva.com. It's a free program. There are parts of it that you could pay for, but I so far have gotten away with paying nothing. And it's actually a really awesome program to use. It houses all of my designs. So, for example, this is the current season. These are the badges that I have. I have my team picture that I've created. I have my personalized badges that I make for each of my members on my team. I've already gone through and worked. I've made all of my badges for the entire challenge. So you're looking at the week 8 badges here. For my bear badges, which are for effort put into the challenge. I have platinum, gold, silver, bronze, and honorable mention. These are also my weight loss badges. I do something similar. I do platinum, gold, silver, bronze, and the maintainer badge. This is the picture that I changed the team's picture to for when we land. This is based from last year. I'm just waiting to update it when we know where we're going. I have my Biggest Loser badge, and I also have progressive weight badges that the members can earn throughout the challenge. And again, I do bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. So what I will show you is just how I would go about creating these using this program. So if I go back here, and I'm going to go to my designs, go up here to create a design. I usually just do the postcard. It's about the right size for a badge. And then it gives you this blank screen. Over here is where you're going to find everything that you're going to use to create the badge. You can upload your own pictures. So as you see, I have some pictures here that I've uploaded from the past challenge. They give you photos that you can search through if you want to search out photos to use. Elements are just like cute little sticker type things that you can put on there if you want. The text, there's different style text. Some are free, some you have to pay for. I don't do anything I have to pay for. You can also use just basic headings, subheading, or you can, use something more fancy if you want. So I'll work on a spring badge, I guess. So if I go to the first thing I want to do is add a background. So there's different backgrounds I can add. I can do just a color, or I can search out a picture. And since it's spring, I might want something a little cheerful, so I might use something like this. So since we are in spring, I might want something that shows spring, so maybe like a tree or something like that. I can go ahead and just pop that in there, make it bigger if I want to. And I don't know, maybe I want some grass, like a grass background or a grass landscape. Go ahead and pop that in and just stretch it out, move it up, make it work. I usually use my teddy bear I would go to the elements. I'm already there. And type in teddy bear. And this is the bear I pretty much standard use every single challenge. So they know that this is a spring bear. Maybe if I want to make him a little springy, maybe he can hold a flower. So this is obviously too big. You can just play with it, make it smaller. I don't know, these are kind of fun. You just play around with them. I love doing this kind of stuff, so. All right, so he's holding his little flower. And now I'll put the text on it. So let's see. This looks kind of springy, so maybe I'll just use, oh, no, I won't. See, it's not free. So, oh, no, it let me use it. Okay, cool. So I can make it a little smaller. And just click on it to change what I want it to say. So I might say teddy bear. And just kind of center it, make it look good. And then I'm going to want the subheading 5% spring challenge 2021. And if I don't like this font, I can highlight it. Oops. I'm going to make sure I get the whole thing. Highlight it. You can go up here, can change it to, I don't know, something that looks better. That's not going to work for this. And I don't like that. I'll just do this. And then I can make it a different color if I want. Maybe white will work better. If you click off it, you can see the white looks a little better to me, so I'm going to leave the white. I'm going to move this a little bit. Of course, if I don't like these colors, I can go up here, can change them to, if I want a darker green, which I definitely don't like. If I wanted to make it purple, which I don't like, you can change the colors just by clicking on the color up there. And I feel like my picture is missing something. So maybe a bird. Birds come out in spring, don't they? So I'll go to the elements, go to bird. Let's see. These birds are all free, so just make it a little smaller. And put my bird up here. And I'm flying. I don't know, something like that. So like I said before, then if I was going to then create, let's see, we'll create I'm gonna show you how you can copy. So like, let's say that I want to make my platinum level badge, but now I'm gonna do it for spring. I'll do that. So if I hit Control C, copies this, and then hit Control V, it's gonna put it right in the same spot, which is really cool. I like that. So I can go back here, hit Control C, Control V, it's gonna put it right there. And so every little, you have to click on every element, hit Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and my last thing is this, Control V. So now obviously it's week 1, not week 8, so I will be changing that in a minute. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for a background, and I want something that's kind of springish. I usually just use regular colors for this. So something that's like a nice spring color. I'll go with a green. All right, so when I'm looking at this, what I'm noticing is I can't really read these words on top of the green. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to darken it up a little bit just so you can see it. And that way, the same with this. I'm going to just darken this up so you can see it. Okay, and just center it a little bit more. So if it's not winter anymore, if I just double click on that, I can change this to spring. And now I'm gonna have to change the photo. So what I do is I go to Google Images, free. I'm going to search teddy bear in the spring. So let's see, let's find a picture of a spring bear that I like. I like this one. So I'm going to right click on it, save image as, save it, go back here. If I hit the upload, go to upload media, you're going to do it from your device because that's where you saved it. Click on it, open, and it will upload it. Just like that. Now I'm going to delete this picture and I'm going to insert this one. Just clicked on it to insert it and just stretch it out. If I don't like that, I can double click on it and I can recenter the guy to make him where I want it. If I still don't like that, maybe I just kind of want it smaller. Click on it and pull it back down, or it'll, give you back part of that picture that you got rid of. Kind of like that better. And just leave it like that. And and if it's week 1, you would just double click on this. So after you make the badge, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you don't have anything on the badge, like you're not showing like this blue box or anything like that. And what you would do is you just make sure you have your picture. You hit, for my computer, you're just going to print, screenshot. That's all you have to do. So I hit my Windows key, hold that down and hit print screen, and it screenshots it for me. And then if I go into my files, it's going to be my very first screenshot. Here it is. I cut this, crop it. Just all I want is this piece like this. And just make sure I have the whole picture. And I hit save. And there it is. Now, if I want to put this on Spark, what I do is if I go back to, let's see, I'm going to go to an old team and just upload it there. So if I go back to my old team, the Ball Bears, actually, I'm going to go to the, I'll go to the summer one. I don't think anybody goes to this one anymore. So I would just go to wherever I'm going to post it. And I hit add an image, browse. This one is in my screenshots. So I pull my screenshots up. It's the very last one there. Open, upload, post. And there you go. So this is how I make my badges with Canva. If you have any other questions on how I do this, just feel free to reach out and email me. And I will answer any questions you have.